Because how do they manage to make Itachi and Sasuke look like dog shit? How do they manage that? He looks anti-aura. He's all polished and fat and weird. Like, look at him. He's putty and odd. Awful. This is fucking. This is Danny of liberal arts, fucking degree. Like, what the fuck is that? I'm not buying that shit. Out of all the skins they could put into from League, they choose a 2 arcane Vi powder. Okay, what about Jayce? Where's Jayce at? Where's Jayce? And where's Viktor? Where he can change pre-morph and after-morph. Instead we get powder and Vi. Like, fuck off. What has this game come to, man?